Kasayem Papa TB Joshua yeah access information no ebebe reaching yen no eno nam so ma video bebre na enso so eba bonten ya na chese so far wono nso so no wo Nigeria kronu emu pastor Adeboye one videos eba ya na chese wo chiri mu wodi etu edwa ede ama the congregants ema wo mahunu say necklace key holders ni nyoma wo ya wo di ni din ebobo eso no pastor Adeboye din ne yire ebobo so achese wo mo eton wo munya because nipa o starte se woji enimonyam a nyankopon wo no obi a enje nenimonyam enti eba ne saa de na chese yi a ena wo beyi wo edi free atase for asasi eso na wo kan ya to the extent sem ma bibia wo no susu key holder ne ba kokko fa na wo wie na enum no wo mo kokko da ne aniam wo no ni mfonyi na eda enim wo no pastor Adeboye mfonyi na eda nim wo mo da ne akire na wo mo enhwa na chese papa TB Joshua enso emfonyi na eda wo no mo agese wo no de na wo no edi ejina so etu the members no effort wono onye na adin se wo besi wo hu sese yesanse djuma na nyame ede ama no besi wonye na enfa faso de emre womo ehye na se na enu nyankopon ntimi nyina so nka se mo akwapa no kwafo wadi kakra mu no kware enu nti kwotena mense nifa so enti eno ene ade a wo hwe so aye den aye ehu adwuma ne nkwaje na se nkofo nkwaje ehu adwuma salvation no se wo betwe edom ade ama Kristo ne no ena wo ye enti ade a ebo mo ni nyankopon enya wantwi bi a se nyankopon ni nyankopon benya beef de wonpe enu nti obi a wo behu no anase wo behu se wo key holder bibia anything associated with send a picture na remfonyi adaso no wo mo enjoy na nso so papa TB Joshua de ye sha na chese nkrofo eta sa no mani nyina ntina chese sa video no eba bonti no mudi gina so kase de papa pastor Adeboye ka na se wo pa kire mu a se ewu a papa TB Joshua ewu ye no because of enyoma na enkofo di nimfonyi enyoma na jese enkofo di nimfonyi ya enu ntine na nyankopon adwumwo so no na ama nyankopon ayede no ede free atase for asase so esanse nkofo sorry TB Joshua ti se nyame wo mu ni so wo ye nyankopon wo mu ni se wo mu nyame wo mu som no akwakọ ye mfonyi ebi aye ni se bracelet ebi aye ni se banner ebi aye ni honyi ne onyoma ahodo atase na wo mu som no enti na se dodo na efa explanation edi free ya papa pastor Adeboye ni statement o make ye no so se na se no ene namso ema jese nyankopon ya papa TB Joshua edi efi ho enam ekwan a wonamso anase wo ye ehwe han man kofo di nimfonyi na ebusuefo menkoti ya papa pastor Adeboye ensam no embra ne ba ya toa ensam no eso.
Just one or two announcements very quickly. It has been brought to my attention that some people are selling car keys, bracelets, etc., with my picture or the picture of my wife on it. May I appeal to you in the mighty name of Jesus? Don't buy it from them. If you have bought them, throw them away. If you see those who are selling them, report them to the police. I didn't send them. I have nothing to do with them. I am an ordinary man. I am not God. What these people are doing can lead to serious trouble. Not for them, but for me. God will not share his glory with any man. If at any time God senses that a man is trying to share his glory, that man is dead. And whether the devil likes it or not, I'm not going yet. I am not going anywhere yet. So if you find anybody selling anything whatsoever with my picture there, either my picture with my wife or my picture with somebody else, report them to the police. It's not only that. A woman bought one from them, gave it to a child, and children, anything you give them, they think it is food. So the child began to eat it. And when the mother tried to take it away, he saw that my picture there had opened, and underneath my picture was a picture of TB Joshua. And you know what that means. Please don't cooperate with anybody who tries to kill me. I'm not dying.
For said papa pastor Adeboye nsem no etu edwa eno na papa say ye papa di nsem tu dwe ene e bra ye papa TV Joshua ewuye emonten so ne nsore man ne wo agini di ananse wo mu wre e share ye papa emu no ene ye hu ma me ba ku bi dis wo gina camera nim e ka say TV Joshua wo wuyo entu obi ene wo no mo be na mabonten agina so aka say na wo papa no wo wuye de biara e da information e ko outside ni na no e ye wrong papa no wo yo no do nim se papa no woda so ete ase enya de so wo eno aye live reporting from the end the church no premises one no ebra wo mo ete eye ensem no na eno so no men konkoshe eye a short video of that na yemra.
Nobody should carry anything outside that church. Nobody should carry anything outside. The enemy has failed. The enemy has failed. Man of God is not dead. I refuse it. Nobody should tell anything to anybody that is dead. I was called. Many called me. But I told them that I'm going to the synagogue to step my leg on the very ground so that whatever the plans of the enemy, it will never happen. He is not dead. Man of God is not dead. He will not die in 10 years, not in 20 years. I know what I'm saying. Man of God is not dead. Whoever is bringing that news, nobody is calling anybody to say man of God is dead. Or have you killed him? Have you killed him? Nobody is telling anybody that man of God is dead. I am begging you in the name of God. Nobody should tell anybody that man of God is dead. He is not dead. He is not dead. In the name of Jesus we pray. Amen. He is not dead. Okay, nobody should say that. He's not dead.
What's the thing? What's the thing? What's the thing?
I was here for what's here from the side of AAM Papa Pastor Adeboye. Yes, stickers are so for binum because you shake down a house so for was stickers be and the key holders, banners, bracelets, and they can so for the donor ewobi. And no tino ebema womo enkwa enna eso etimi etwa ana say eno entino ebema nyankopon atwenu nkume san say nyankopon befo say womo eji ni position ewo asasi so eno na benam so ama wayi womo edi everyone and dey papa eken who say in connection with the entire Baba TV Joshua because of say nem sorry ma efa ne senyame and as wo mo sum no senyame anam what did you find and send you who and say for bra ebe to jay to my GH comment section like your videos not share all the social media platform as media and equia sikapa that's ne you san edi share e makram.